Hey guys, it's me Rahul. Welcome to Project 101, in which I'm hoping to create a catalog of videos clearing all your basic tech doubts. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to turn off Google Assistant on your phone. Sometimes these digital assistants can be a bit annoying, especially if you have never found it useful. Just a disclaimer before we start, Google will update its settings and vary the option in some different menu. So chances of this tutorial being outdated is very likely. But I will update the description with the correct menu if Google decides to change it again. So what you want to do is open the Google app on your phone. It should be in a folder named Google or in the app drawer. Then you tap on your profile picture up top, then select Settings, select Google Assistant, then scroll down to General menu. If you don't see that menu, tap on View All Settings, then open the General Settings, then toggle the search next to Google Assistant to disable it. If you want to turn it back on, just follow the same steps. So that's it. Goodbye.